Good morning, friends. Today is my first lecture of English. Welcome to Dear Zindagi classes. Today we will going to be the what is the basic of English? Today's thought. Every morning you have to choose continue to sleep with your dream or wake up and chase them. Second, English alphabet. Today we will going to be about alphabet. What is alphabet? How to use alphabet? What is the pronunciation of alphabet? English alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Each letter has uppercase, capital letter and lowercase small letter form. Each alphabet consists of 26 letters. Means there is a two case. But what uppercase and lowercase? Uppercase, capital letter means big alphabet. And lowercase, a small letter means small letter form of lowercase. अब कैपिटल लेटर स्मॉल लेटर और नेम व्हाट्स द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ कैपिटल लेटर व्हाट्स द लेट कैपिटल लेटर ए अ बी 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 सी 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 डी 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 E, E, F, F, E, F, F, G, 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 double E, G, H, 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 A, I, T, C, H, H, I, J, 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 A, Y, J, K, 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 A, Y, K, L, L, E, what is the sound of L? E, L, L, M, M, E, M, M, N, N, E, N, N, O, O, P, 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 P double E, P, Q, Q, C, U, E, Q, R, R, A, R, R, S, S, S. What is the sound of S? E double S. Sound of S, E double S. T, T. U, U. V, V. W. W equal to U means W. X, X, E, X, X. Y, Y, W, Y. Y. Z, Z, Z. Half form Z and full form Z. Notes. 5 letters of English alphabet are vowels A, E, I, O, U. Remaining letter of consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z. Note this point. Usually W and Y. What means? W and Y. It's the both in use in consonant or vowel because Z, the sound of vowel. W, it's also sound of vowel. Written English include diaphragm, CH, CI, CK, GH, NG, PH, R, SC, SH, TH, TI, WH, WR, ZH. These are not considered the separate letter of the alphabet. वो कौन कौन से सेपरेट लेटर है हमारे? डिहाफ्राम, ये डिग्राफ है हमारे जो मेन अल्फ़ाबेट इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट इंक्लूड्स अ ग्राफिक ऑफ CH, CI, फिर Q, R, CH, SE, SH, TI, WH, WR, ZH. They are the considered, not considered the separate letter of alphabet. रिमेनिंग 21 लेटर इज कॉन्सोनेंट. अब इसमें एक और बात आपको समझनी चाहिए. टू लेटर, पॉइंट नोटेड दिस, टू लेटर्स A and I also constitute words until fairly 1835. The 27th letter of the alphabet, right after Z, was the ampersand. The English alphabet is based on the Latin script. What's the means the fairly English कब हुआ? Until 1835. इसका 27th letter of alphabet right after Z and was the ampersand. Ampersand means it's the symbol of S and full cut. The English alphabet is based on Latin script, which is the basic set of letters common to the various alphabet originating from the classical Latin alphabet. The English alphabet is based on the Latin script, which is the basic set of letters common to the various alphabet originating from the classical Latin alphabet. The Old English alphabet letters were 29. A, B, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z and और प्लस 4 ऑपोजिट, यानी डाउनवर्ड टू अपर, नीचे से एक डंडा फिर ऊपर से L मीन्स उल्टा L, ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ L, फिर D सिंबल दिस ऑल्सो ऑपोजिट एंड डंडा 1, स्ट्रेट लाइनिंग P वी कैन रिटेन लाइक दिस. तो P, D, A का हाफ और फिर E का फुल. इट्स कॉल्ड द 29 alphabet in Old English. The Old English alphabet was recorded here. The Old English alphabet was recorded here 1011 by the monk named Bythorfed, and the included the 24 letters of Latin alphabet, including ampersand and 5 additional English letters, long S, फिर ऊपर का J और उल्टा ETH. क्या है? ETH, D and D, स्मॉल D और फिर इधर से नीचे मुड़ा हुआ D. थोन, क्या है? एक साउंड कीजिए, थोन. एक सिंपैथिक P, Y, WY, double N P, and H letter means opposite letter, and rewarding this means letter A half E equal to, and A what's what letter, small form of E. With respect to modern English, Old English did not include J, U and W. Understand? Modern English हमारा Old English not include J, U and W. Getting? Get it? Understand? Thanks for this lecture. Thank you so much for this lecture. बेस्ट लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. एंड सॉरी फॉर दिस कि अगर कोई भी गलती हो गई हो उसे कृपया करके माफ़ भी करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस. टाटा बाय बाय.